Today we are going to talk about the sticker quality and the paint quality of the Yamaha R15. So I would suggest people who are wanting to decal their bike or like take off the original stickers and go for a stickering like what I have done. It is a suggestion for the parts that you need to take care of. If you are using a tank pad, then be aware that if you're using a rubber pad, it might just peel off your paint like the way it happened, and then I had to go in for a vinyl decaling. This is for the tank section where you need to cover up. Now I had this version as a green one, which actually I have gone for a black vinyling on this, and on top of this I have gone for a tank pad designed vinyl to give it a shape. Now if you're peeling off your stickers from the back, it is pretty fine. You can just peel it off because there is no lacquer used on this, and it would get easily peeled. It's the same for the right side too. And in case of the body, you just need to cover it up with vinyl. So if you're ever trying to peel it off, you might just lose the entire color from your body shaft. Now when we talk about the stickering thing on the front segment of the bike, that is the visor panel. So here you have a sticker of the R15S or whatever comes from Yamaha. So this could be easily removed without the paint coming off, as this is on the fiber part body. So keep this in mind while you are doing a stickering job to your bike to give it a wholesome new look, apart from what Yamaha has done at the time of the company manufacture. I hope this video is liked, and do share, subscribe and comment.